I made it to Fenghuang, an ancient city in China, and I'm gonna take some time lapses here of people, buildings, and I think it's gonna be a really beautiful city. Finally got a little bit of sun here, so I got the Genie out, the Genie 2 with the pan tilt head and the linear drive. So I want to get just some small shots, a bit close up of the roofs here, because the roofs are quite nice traditionals. So yeah, just adding the slider will give a little bit of motion to the shot. It's so hot today, I'm sweating buckets, but we found this path. I'm not really sure where it leads, but hopefully there will be a nice viewpoint somewhere, I don't know. It's worth the try. It just goes up and up and up. It keeps being paved, so there must be something at the end, I think. It's lots of spider webs across the path, so it can't really be a very popular route for people to walk. Oh, I think I can see something. Looks like Maybe a temple? It's a pagoda, so probably a place of worship for Buddhists or Taoists, but it actually looks abandoned, and it seems like we can walk to the top. Seems like this was abandoned quite a few years ago. There are some bottles here, so it might be a place people go still for the view, but I haven't read about this place anywhere. But it's an amazing view. You can see the whole city, the old town, the newer parts, the river. It's really cool. Seems like they wanted to make another pagoda there, but it looks like it stopped mid-construction. It surely hasn't been worked on for many years. It's very strange. Found this really cool spot to do a day to night time lapse. Beautiful view of the river, like these really traditional houses. So a very Chinese view. I like it very much. I'm gonna put my tripod here. What I like about these places is that they seem to be quite liberal with tripods, so you can put your tripod anywhere. So I think it's safe here. The only problem right now is that there's a karaoke bar behind me, so I hope that doesn't start too soon. It's sort of strange, but when the sun goes down, this city transforms from being a typical ancient old town to becoming like a party place, and it's like this horrible techno music all over the town, and yeah, it's really strange.